Bonjour les étudiants, comment allez-vous? Let's go over that one more time since the video last week wasn't working with the audio and I apologize for that. So, bonjour, go ahead and repeat back to me. Bonjour. Bonjour. Comment? Comment? That means how. And that is going to be in a liaison. Comment allez? That beautiful French liaison there where the two words get joined together. We'll talk more about that later. Don't worry too much about it. But comment allez-vous is how are you doing? So bonjour, comment allez-vous? I hope everything's going really well. I'm really excited for your videos. And I have to apologize again. The people at McGraw-Hill are amazing and they are still working on getting the audio working. I'm not really sure why it's not working. It's playing on my computer, but no one else's. So I apologize for that. We're actively working on that. So I wanted to make this extra video so that you could see it on YouTube instead of going through Connect. I apologize. And we're going to just work with it because that's what you do with life and technology. So in your numbers video for this week, your job is to respond to one of my problems, and then you're going to come up with two simple math problems of your own. One is going to be an addition problem, and one is going to be a subtraction problem. Now, before we launch into those, let's do a little bit of French math vocabulary. So we're going to start off with plus, or in addition to, is plus in French. Minus, or subtract, moins in French. So go ahead and repeat after me. Plus et moins, so either plus or minus. Equals to is égal. Go ahead. Égal. And how many is combien? So I'm going to give you two math problems, simple math problems, not to worry. And you're going to choose one of them to answer in your video. Or if you're further down in the string of videos, you're just going to respond to someone else's before yours. And just say, oh, I'm responding to Wilfred's video or Noah's video, for example, or whoever's video you decide. And then you're going to give your two math problems as well. And don't answer them because the next person in line is going to do that. So here are my two math problems. 2 plus 5 égale, equals, combien? Encore, 2 plus 5 égale, combien? And my subtraction one, we'll go with 8 moins minus 3 égale combien? Encore, 8 moins 3 égale combien? So enjoy answering each other's problems. Try to repeat after each other as well so that you're starting to make the connections in your brain. Oh, okay, I'm understanding what number he or she is talking about and what my math problem answer is going to be. All right, so do that practice and see you on the next video. A bientôt.